The 4-foot spacing is recommended on posts to satisfy any local codes. It's also helpful when you're looking at the deflection of your infill. It is possible to do a flat top on an angle, such as a staircase, but the requirements would be so precise. The angles and the measurements have to be exactly precise. If not, there is a huge risk of failure of the project, and we also feel that the universal top is a far superior solution. You could, but it would be a very interesting application because you could not get a straight line. Your infill would be zigging and zagging back from one to the other for the entire run. Our posts come with pre-drilled holes for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, it saves you a lot of time. Second reason is you're not having to make penetrations on the powder coat once that finish is on there, because when you make that penetration, it's an opportunity for corrosion to onset, or you have to seal it otherwise, but we feel it's much better to supply a completed product.